what do you like to eat, Sara? I want to know from you. Apart from Pesarettu, what do you like to eat here in Bangalore?
See, I like Pesarettu, I like that ghee puri idli, I like dosa, I
Nice.
like malga puri chutney, I like ghee, I like sambar, I like everything.
Do you want to say I like ghee puri idli in Kannada for us?
How do I do that?
Okay. ನನಗೆ
ನನಗೆ
ghee puri idli
ನನಗೆ ಘೀ ಪೋಡಿ ಇಡ್ಲಿ
ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ.
ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ.
Sara, about your character?
So, well, my character is basically confused, and she thinks she has her life figured out, but somewhere along the way, like life itself, she realizes that she doesn't actually. And she's very regimented to begin with. Ki aisa yoga, this will be exactly like this, and then she, learns to kind of try to let that go. It was very new. It was very new. We didn't know exactly what we were going to shoot. It was a huge process of like, as an actor, you're used to a little bit of prep and plan. And then you just have to kind of like let go and surrender to the moment, which is so amazing because I think that's what we, like to do in life sometimes. Just surrender and trust and let magic happen rather than always know exactly how it's going to be.
Yeah.
So it was quite a journey for Sara and my character.
Yeah,
This
I remember
letting
the
go of
first,
regimenting.
I know the first day I saw a big look of confusion on her face, and like you said, your character was confused. So I think Basu was,
I think
Dada was getting you into the.
Basla cast me, he's like, this girl sometimes just looks at me with a question mark on my face, let me use this.
So
I said, yeah,
yeah.
okay.
No, but
Line of this movie is your story, your love story. Is this, any commonalities between your character and your real life?
no.
So, well, Adi said, I think that for me, I'm very talkative. Like as Sara, I'm expressive, I'm talkative, I use my words a lot. I think my character is not like that. I think there's much more within. And I think she's like socially awkward. You'll see in the film, it starts with an introduction about me, my character. There's like a VO where you'll understand more about her. But she's a lot more like socially awkward and like confused than I think I am.
सर आप और आदित्य दोनों के बीच में एक बड़ी फर्क बनता है, मतलब आप दोनों देशभक्ति के फिल्म में बनाया ऑलरेडी. इससे पहले ये वतन मेरे वतन आपने बनाया और स्काई फोर्स में भी आपने काम किया. एक एक्ट्रेस होने के नाते जब स्क्रिप्ट चेंज होता है ना, मतलब देशभक्ति से एक नया दौर है, मतलब मेट्रो इन दिनों ये चेंज ओवर को आप कैसे फील कर सकते हैं एज एक्ट्रेस होके, और जब आप एक स्टेप उठा देना, मतलब आई हैव टू डू दिस सिनेमा, व्हाट इज द मेन चेंज ओवर बिटवीन द प्रीवियस फिल्म्स एंड दिस फिल्म?
Sir, as an actor, I think it's very important to be versatile, at least, and try. I want to be able to try every kind of genre. Ae Watan Mere Watan released the same month as Murder Mubarak. Right before that, there was Zara Hatke. So I think that, that's the fun of being an actor. No, you get to play lives that are not yours. You get to live characters जो आपसे परे हैं. And like this character, for instance, she's so different to who I am, Like I said earlier, I'm loud and bubbly and, chirpy. I don't know if I keep things in as much. And it was an interesting challenge for me to play something different. And as long as I can keep doing that, I want to be able to do every genre, just across the board, and keep growing and keep learning so I can do what I love doing.
एंड स्काई फोर्स वो हमारी कहानी है, कोडागू की कहानी है.
जी, जी.
थैंक यू.